Yo, what's up, everybody? All right, this is not clickbait. I am genuinely concerned right now. Let me explain. So first, pretty amazing. Bitcoin has broken out of this 7-month, kind of consolidation period, this amazing bull flag. Chart looks unbelievable. So pumped about that. Here's what I'm concerned about. Everybody is pricing in and assuming that Trump's going to win the election. Everywhere I turn on, like all the YouTube videos that I listen to, everywhere on Twitter, they're just assuming it. And I know they're putting a lot of stock in the poly markets right now, the betting, right? And they're thinking, well, people that, we really got to take the betting seriously because people are putting real money in there, which I agree with that to a point. But I think a lot of people that use poly market also just happen to be Republicans or are Trump supporters. So I think it's just only natural that those are the people that are betting, and it's an emotional thing, and they want to bet on the person that they care about. Anyway, I think people are underestimating the Democratic machine. I mean, this isn't about who I'm voting for and whether I like or dislike Trump. This has nothing to do with it. This is me just having appreciation for the Democratic machine that is. Think about it. Vice President Harris was during her vice presidency, she had like the lowest ratings of any vice president in the history of vice presidents. And then all of a sudden, when she declares she's running without giving one interview, without taking the stage, without doing one debate, without hearing anything from her, there was like a 2-month period where the Democratic machine just pumped all these amazing things about her, and she became the most popular woman overnight, right? Like, think about it. You know what I mean? Like, you're hearing all this stuff about all the people coming in over the border that are going to be voting, all the illegal immigrants that are going to be voting, and look, if you're a big Trump supporter, then you probably believe that there was some crazy things that happened last election, and maybe he got robbed of his election. I don't know. Do you think that's not going to happen this time? So again, I just think people are underestimating the Democratic machine. Further, let's say I'm wrong, all right? And maybe he does win, So I just think in either scenario, I don't know if we're going to necessarily have certainty of that win the day after the election, like usual, right? So I just, hang on, there's a cop over there. I don't want to get nabbed. Anyway, I just don't know if we're going to have the kind of certainty. I think it's going to, there's going to be some drama when it comes to the election results, and there's going to be lots of recounts and fucking riots in the street. And I don't know. Pardon my language. But anyway, I am worried that too many people are assuming that Trump's going to win. They're pricing that in, and I don't think they're properly taking into account that it might not be the certainty that the market's been waiting for in terms of who's going to be president. Look, either way, no matter what, Bitcoin is gonna do what it's gonna do in both situations. I mean, look, if Kamala wins, Bitcoin's probably not going to hit 100K this year, but it will in 2025. I feel pretty certain of that. If Trump wins, I think we actually have a realistic shot of hitting 100K this year. I think the market would shoot up. But anyway, that's my little rant. Curious to know what you guys think. Do you guys think that the election holds the kind of weight? Do you think that we're too priced in with a Trump victory? Do you think we're underestimating the Democratic party and what they're capable of? Please leave comments down below. Like, subscribe, all that good stuff. I'm gonna try and make like a real video when I'm at home in front of the computer. There's some things I want to talk about in terms of some different altcoins. I want to talk about Out Spritz Finance, all that stuff. So anyway, let me know what you think. Peace.